Hello, Kismet the Frog here with Level 0 ripoffs. Last lesson we installed after downloading the Unreal Engine, and this lesson I'm going to show you how to launch the Unreal Engine. It may seem strange to you, but you've got to use the Epic Games Launcher in order to run the engine. Well, not always, but that is easiest way to do it. There are other ways, but I will show you easiest way, which is to launch the launcher. So to get to the Epic Games Launcher, you press the Start button on your computer, and it will bring up the Start menu, and then you start typing the word Epic, E-P-I-C. Then you click on the Epic Games Launcher. Here we have the Epic Games Launcher. You can get to all the games, buy games at the store, get the marketplace assets, all kinds of fun stuff. But you want to click on the left side where it says Unreal Engine, and then you go up to the library. And here you will have many engine versions if you have done that, but if not, you won't have any there. So you got to press the plus button. Yeah, the plus button will allow you to choose a version. If you don't have that version yet, you will have to install it, and that can take a very long time, but it's worth it. So I will not install a new one, I will just use the one I already have, which is 4.24. So after you have installed a version of the engine, then you can launch one of your choice. I recommend the latest one you have for starting a new project. And you can launch with the big launch button in the top corner, or you can click on the launch button of the specific one you want. It will tell you which one it is. So either one, you click it, it runs. So once it starts to run, then the launcher is going to disappear on you, and it will look like nothing is happening, but actually the engine is starting up, and it will pop up a window soon and tell you that it is happening. So it takes longer the first time. After the first time, then it is much faster. But while you are waiting, you can do push-ups, call your mother, get some dishes done, and I will see you in the next lesson where we get to open the editor.